Hi friends, today we're making Paximadia. These delicious twice-baked crunchy Greek cookies are bursting with orange flavour and made with olive oil. So get your Greek coffee ready and be prepared to dunk. As usual, the full recipe can be found on my blog, Souvlaki for the Soul. I'll have a link in the description below. Start off by combining the flour, baking powder and baking soda in a medium bowl. Next, whisk the sugar, olive oil, orange juice and zest and ouzo. Use a spoon to gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And finally, fold through the slivered almonds. You should end up with a soft yet pliable dough. Divide the dough into 3 portions and shape into a flat log. Score the top with a sharp knife. This will easily help us to make the cookies after the first bake. Bake and allow to cool completely. Now take your baked loaf and using a serrated knife, very gently cut through the score marks to create the Paximadia. Place them on a lined baking tray and bake again, turning them over halfway. Let them cool and enjoy.